What leaf is that?
So
Comment down below. They're supposed to guess. Comment down below. The refreshing taste of Pepsi.
Don't put it on.
Alright, so today I got toothbrush.
Not toothbrush. No, no.
You sniffed like everything here so far and said it all smells weird, especially that.
No, I've only smoked 2 things. Thank you very much. All stuff you will learn.
Squishy. Little squishmallow.
One second. I just need to make sure I don't need to go. No, it should be fine. I'll rinse it to walk, that's all.
A lot of makeup and 2 people.
Mm.
And 1 boyfriend who's been told he can do whatever he wants with anything.
Not exactly. If he does something wrong, I will beat him. I will beat him.
That's
later.
mascara, so that's for the lips. Okay.
Do you want to run down what you have? Does that make it easier?
Let me know where I should start. You can guide me through what I'm supposed to do in order.
Well, I don't know exactly. I should do it in my order. Because there is a way, like, from what I see a lot of people do, they do eye, like the makeup on eyes first and then foundation.
Right.
But in my head, how I just can't comprehend that because I think foundation is base.
You could just lay down the foundation. You're building houses, that's common sense.
No, don't show them.
Show them, it's too late. Uneditable. Uneditable. Can't do it. Can't be done.
He's amateur. He has no idea. Well, since you watched me do this yesterday.
Yeah, I've also watched my mum do it for like 23 years. I don't know if she does it like that and then on, or if she just puts it on.
Or is there a tool you could use?
I don't know, is there a tool I could use? Let's have a look at what we got. Yes. Or do I put it onto there and then dab it?
I'm looking at the brush that says what it is.
You know you guys can just go outside without this, it's not illegal. Like half and half or half and half?
Half and half.
Half and half, okay. And maybe I could go with a theme of like being different on either side.
You can blot it and then spread.
So you didn't tell me. Most of it is just on your forehead at the moment. I'm gonna get a lip, haven't I?
Yeah, go into the nostril. You're gonna join.
Try and blend it in. There's quite a bit. And it's...
I am terrified.
I feel like I'm doing Donald Trump here.
I am genuinely terrified now. I'm going to see when I get in the mirror.
Donald Trump.
It's going to be beautiful.
It's not that orange, but it's different from your natural skin tone. Maybe just have like an orange pie forehead up there. Do you know what? The glow is amazing. You go, girl. You had to put the Dumbo ears underneath. This is the game of the way.
It's the only makeup band I have.
It had to be Dumbo.
Yeah.
So all the birds outside are turning up. This is a princess.
Yeah, alright.
How good I'm doing. That is the foundation.
Okay.
I kind of want to show you. You want to show them? How'd I do? I don't think I've done a bad job, to be honest.
No. There's something else you can use to make it look less brushy.
I just do that.
Very much. You don't have to use the points as well, you can use the side to get more coverage.
You're not going to want to watch this off, you're going to want to go straight out on a night
I
out
don't know.
with this.
I found the wipes.
You want to go right out to a night out with this.
The mirror is so bad.
I do. Right, so now Right. So we've done foundation, done
Concealer.
concealer, done concealer.
Have you?
Look at my eyes. Around the eyes. In the eyes. Ooh. Not too much? Ah, okay. This is the only kind of dabbing I do. Say that. No other kind of dabbing. Oh no, my jeans. My jeans from make. Where am I? I have no idea what I'm doing.
Terrifying.
You should be.
This area, so you can still see.
It was not in the right area, was it? No, wait. I don't know where it's supposed to go.
And now I've got glitter all over my face.
Highlighter here, 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 here,
You had it right the first time.
here,
No.
here.
Yes. Not right to the eye though.
Okay. I was gonna tap some off here. Look, I know what I'm doing, okay?
No, you don't.
No, I don't. Hey, I think I'm doing good. You wanna show so far? Let me check that that's still recording.
It still is.
41 minutes so far.
41.
41 minutes so.
And when
You'd be at work by now. You'd have had your morning done. How long does it take you to do your makeup?
It depends. If I'm doing the full hog, it takes me about an hour and a half because obviously I can never get the eyeshadow right.
Guys, we can just go out. We don't have to do none of this.
No, you don't. But I don't think these
Maybe a
are
red.
fun.
A reddish. Because I'm gonna go red lipstick. That's happening.
Fine, but I get to leave a kiss mark on you later.
I might do two colours for eyeshadow.
Oh, I'm going full hog on you.
I might get. I have an idea that suddenly comes to my mind. Messed it up. I was trying to get creative, and I don't know how I feel about it now. This is when you know your relationship has a level of trust way up there. It shows me enough to even do this.
Oh.
Great job. Alright, so. This is hard.
Sorry.
I think I've done it, but I think I've done it the wrong way. I think I need to do the bottom one as well. Definitely coffee. Licking is hard.
I know, sorry. Ah.
That don't help when I'm near your eye. I nearly poked you in the eye. Right. No noises. I know. Do you want to look good or? I've definitely gone too far. Here we go.
I can't see this still. Cleaning woman here. You can do it with that hand, you know.
But it's hard. You know, it's in the way. Right, so lip sync now. Look at that one. Ready? We're doing it that way or that way? Okay. You okay?
When you do it yourself, it's weird. It's not so weird. When someone else is doing it, it tickles me.
Okay.
I'm screwed on my birthday.
Why?
Because me and Mum are getting professional makeup done.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So you telling me this isn't professional makeup? Come on. No one can do a better job than this. Well, I've gone for like a summery season look here. I think next time I might go for a winter season. We'll do it seasonal. Then I can do a spring. And then I can collage, and an autumn. So then I can collage them all together at the end of it. And we can have a jet sketch.
And last but not least is the setting spray.
Alright. So.
X.
Okay, so it's not swish and flick from Guardian Leviosa? No?
I've got a feeling I'm just gonna do this.
No, I can do it. So it's
You'll have to go.
Wrong time.
Right, next time I'm doing it.
Wrong time. You spoke as I did it.
But you missed the chin. I think so, the hair's coming down.
Oh, what have I done?
Why are you saying that now?
Because with the thing on, it looked normal. For some reason, it looked normal with this on.
Oh.
Reveal time. All I'm going to say before you see it is I am happy with this side. But this side... Are you ready?
No.
3.
It doesn't help there's a mirror on this side. What the heck?
The flick kind of looks normal on that side. That side's a lot thicker and didn't go well. You see where I went with the red and the yellow? Like a summery sunrise, sunset?
I'll give you on this under eye, because that's near enough perfect.
Yeah, the other side was so hard to do. It was weird doing it that way, so... See, I've never done it before.
I'll send this to your mother.
That eye went well. If I did a just half-face picture, I would choose that side and I think it would look good. The other side... This is like the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge.
No.
We nominate Ols and Becca to do this next.
Yes.
Ols and Becca nominated. Do it. Do it. So, on a scale of 1 to 10, my first time ever doing makeup,
I'm gonna give you a 3.
Really? I thought I'd at least on a 5.
Down here is bang on. Like, I never do under eye anyway. Foundationing? You mean foundation?
That stuff. Let's go from layer to layer.
Well, Kate.
Yes,
You can
I
tell
knew
that
that
it's
from the
Kate.
beginning because I did it wrong.
Beautiful.
Blush? No. You know what I was gonna say then. Highlighter? No. Too much. Give you due on the eyeshadows.
Because I went for a design then. That's when I got inspired to be artistic. That's when I first thought, you know what, I'm going to do something here.
Give you that one. And lips are good.
Lips are good. Okay, so we've got the eyeliner on that side.
The bottom is
the
okay.
eyeshadow. What about the flick on that side? I know it was a bit thicker than I wanted.
Because you've got the when you do a flick, it's kind of like a line.
Yeah,
it kind of dips.
I didn't. I had to.
So you can see when thingy.
If you have your eyes wide open, that's fine. It's when the bottom part is too thick. This side, I don't know what happened there.
It's sticking my eyelid together. I know that much.
Yeah, that's I went a bit too much.
Whilst I'm doing yours, do I have to wear mine?
Yes.
Damn it. It's your turn now.
What we're doing in the next part?
I'm doing his.
Okay then.
And get ready, because I'm hoping to do, like, drag. It's not going to be full. I don't know how to do drag, but I want to give it a go now.
Do you want to do any teasers?
No.
Okay. Like the video and subscribe and tell me down below what you think I did. I'm more proud of this side. I'm actually proud of the whole eyeliner on that side and shadow. This side, I don't know what happened.
Get ready, because you're getting some beautiful lashes.
Send help.